in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up Grammarly on your phone. So first you need to download the Grammarly application from the App Store and Play Store. Then you just need to click on the application, and now you can just sign up with your email, your Google account, and with your Facebook. Or if you have an existing account, you can just log in from there. If you don't want to log into this Grammarly, you can just click on Not Now, and then add Grammarly to keyboard and click on Got It. Now you can just click on this Grammarly button and just approve this. Okay, after that, switch import method, you can just click on that, and you need to click on Grammarly. Now you need to click on continue, then again continue, and you can just allow the notification and don't allow it anyway. Okay, now your Grammarly is set up on your keyboard. It will start working automatically.